All right, hey, what's up YouTube? Making a quick video here. I want to start off by sending a quick shout out to Trifecta Watches and the team there. Shout out to Jake and the team for shipping me this overseas. I appreciate them honoring a discount that I saw on Random Rob's channel. So shout out to Random Rob as well. And then the watch I picked up, we'll take a look at it. I'm gonna unbox it here a little bit. I prepped it a bit just so it's easier to manage with one hand. But yeah, it's the Seiko Prospex Chronograph Pogue edition. Getting into it, obviously Seiko will send you the little warranty card, so I'll fill that out later with the info from the watch's case back. Trifecta sent me these cool coasters, pretty neat touch. Thank you all so much for that. I'm gonna set that to the side. All right, let's get into it. So here's the standard box it comes in. All right, the watch has a little rag, right, to clean it up so you don't scratch the watch face specifically. All right, and let's get a first look at this thing. Look at that dial. Wow, truly impressive. You can see that Pepsi style bezel. All right, it's got a beautiful weight to it. All right, there's the clasp. Gorgeous. Let's get the Seiko logo there on the watch band as well. Screw down case back. All right, beautiful. All right, so again, this is model SSC 947 from Seiko, so the Seiko Pogue. It's the solar chronograph. So with that, the watch design, right, and functionality is inspired by Seiko's 1969 speed timer. Reading about this watch on Trifecta's website, right? It's named after Colonel William R. Pogue, who wore it on a Skylab mission in 1973. So pretty neat. Got some history to it. Modeled after the original color wave. So pretty neat history there. It's got powered by light energy, right? So it's kind of solar powered. So it's got a great battery reserve, and you can see the movement there on the watch face, just ticking away beautifully. It's got lume on the hands, lumen bright specifically on the hour markers as well. You can see that there around the edge. The dome looks like it's sapphire crystal. You can see it there. Beautiful. Anti-reflective coating as well on the inner surface. All right, and I think it's more of a gold dial there. All right, and again, that dual tone red and blue bezel, beautiful. Case diameter for this one's 41.4 millimeters with a steel case and bracelet, and then a trifold push down and release clasp down here at the bottom. Rated at 10 bar, so about 100 meters, water resistant, and the caliber is a V192. Yeah, beautiful watch. I'm very pleased with this purchase. I can't wait to kind of see this out and about on my wrist and in town. But if you're in the market for a watch, please look up Trifecta watches. I know Jake and the team will take care of you just like they did me. This is a beautiful, beautiful watch if you're in the market. I can't recommend this one enough. But I'll end it there. Again, shout out to Trifecta watches and Jake and the team, and Random Rob for the recommendation to kind of give my business to the team here. So with that, I'll end it. All right, one final look. Peace.